Hey guys, it's the Keto King here and happy Thanksgiving to my US viewers. So what I've done to help you celebrating Thanksgiving and to help keep it keto, I've created a Keto Thanksgiving playlist from my channel. Now if you don't know, YouTube has playlists, which is really a group of videos that feature a similar topic, and in this case, all the recipes that I think would be fantastic for a Keto Thanksgiving. So I'm going to run through them. Of course, I'm going to put a link in the top corner of your screen right there to that playlist, so you can click on it and look at all of those videos in there. But I'm going to run through a few of the awesome Keto Thanksgiving videos I have on my channel. So first of all, let's start with some of the main course items. Of course, I'm not going to teach you how to cook turkey, but we do have a keto creamy Brussels sprouts and bacon recipe. So this is just such a good recipe. You're getting in tons of veggies in here, amazingly creamy. Everyone will love this one. Next, for another side, is the keto fried cabbage and bacon. Now, if you haven't tried this, it is one of the easiest keto sides you could ever eat. And my goodness, this will be your new favorite. So definitely check that one out. Another very easy side to make is the green beans and almond slivers. Also very easy to make, nice and healthy, getting your veggies in, and of course still keeping it keto. And the last side is the fried cauliflower rice. Now it's a great substitute for your regular rice, and it's easy to make a whole lot of this for a big serving of people. So definitely check out that fried cauliflower rice. If you're looking for some appies or some appetizers on the table, you could try out the low-carb breadsticks recipe that I just did a few months ago. So check out those low-carb breadsticks, maybe for people to nibble on before the main meal comes. Then, of course, we want to be drinking here on this Thanksgiving. So if you want some keto drinks, I have a keto sangria recipe, which is really good. It keeps the carbs down from the wine in that sangria. And of course, it's quite a crowd pleaser. Most people will drink a keto sangria, and it's just got some level of festivity to it. Or if you're looking for something else, perhaps an after dinner drink, or even a drink before the meal, the Thanksgiving meal comes in, try out this keto old fashioned. If you've never had an old fashioned, oh my, you have to try this one. So tasty and delicious, and looks stunning. Your guests will be very impressed with that keto old fashioned. And then perhaps if you're looking for an after dinner drink as well, there is a keto or low carb Baileys. Now that one is an extremely rich drink, so you could even serve that as perhaps an alternative to a traditional dessert after your Thanksgiving dinner. So check out that keto Baileys recipe. And of course, what's Thanksgiving without keto pumpkin pie? So I do have the easiest keto pumpkin pie recipe on my channel. As you see, that's a theme. I like easy recipes that don't take a lot of time to make. And so this one is a crustless keto pumpkin pie. Tastes and still looks amazing as well. So check out that keto pumpkin pie. Make sure you incorporate that into your Thanksgiving, because hey, it wouldn't be Thanksgiving without pumpkin pie. And then lastly, these are also two of my recent videos, but I have those two mousse recipes. We have the keto lemon cheesecake mousse, and then we have the keto chocolate mousse. Now, you could use either of those, or if you wanted to impress people, have two types of mousse for dessert. I tell you what, people will love it, and those mousses can be whipped up in literally a couple minutes. So check out that one if you want some ideas for a keto dessert. So guys, there's no excuse here. Really, there are so many options to keep your Thanksgiving dinner keto. Again, take a look in the corner of your screen. The link to that playlist is there. And of course, in the description box below, I'll put links to each of the individual videos. I hope this one helps, guys. And of course, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And most importantly, keep it keto.